Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? All the saints, the ain'ts, and those of us who are in between. Amen. Today is Saturday. It is August 26th. It is 1:16 in the p.m. Took a brief break to fuel up, do a couple of things around the house. But I am intermittently in the Word and checking emails and whatnot. I just happened to stumble across a video of Jackie Hill Perry. And if you don't know who she is, she's an author, a minister, and I believe now she's on the lecture circuit with her husband, who is also in ministry. She wrote the book, I hope I have this title right, Gay Girl, Good God. Amen. So I just stumbled across this video. Well, not stumbled across. I happened to check my email. I subscribe to her on Instagram, or I follow her on Instagram, because I did come across one of her videos by happenstance and like what she had to say. And I believe, like me, she believes in radical inclusivity, but she also preaches the definitive thou shalt nots, as I like to call them. At any rate, she was talking about Jesus ascending into heaven and sitting on the right hand of God. And she said in doing so, it cost him. So she started talking about, I don't care what you lose here on this earth. It is not worth the cost of your soul. Or, I want to say, deferring your relationship with the Most High. Our reasonable amount of service is to serve Him because of what He did to make way for us. And it's not a tit for a tat thing. You do it because you love Him for the sacrifice. If you pay attention to how I talk about my mom, yes, she is my mother. But I know how she sacrificed. Amen. And I share a little bit of that story of the sacrifices. I've seen my mother forego meals so the kids could eat. I watched my mother polish the same pair of nursing shoes for forever so that we could have. Amen. She sacrificed. And every so often, she would lose it if she came home and chores weren't done. And we'd get this speech. And the speech is, would kind of end with, that's the least you could do. Talking about chores and whatnot. That's the least you could do. But what she really wanted was our obedience to make everything run smooth. So she would have peace and we would have peace. Amen. Again, I don't care what you lose here on earth, here in this realm of being, because you're going to lose some things. Wide is the path, narrow is the gate. You're going to lose some stuff as you draw closer to Christ, and rightfully so. You can't take everything with you. Not everybody is meant to be in the presence. You would like to think they are. Through your witness and through your ministry, you would like to think they are. Amen. But we're talking about service. And service, again, requires sacrifice. Amen.